So we'll have a third attempt to change the clock spring.
Yeah, not because we couldn't physically or technically do it, just that we had the wrong parts supplied all the time.
Okay, so
And
same thing, you need to prick the hole in there. There's a hole there. Sometimes you need to put it this way so you can see, but
yeah,
you can do it there and then prick it and then hit it with your hand so you can remove your airbag.
this has been taken out so many times, it's getting wrecked. There we go. Comes easy. Okay, airbag spring. Yes. And the horn. Okay, now that was easy. Too easy. Righto, rattler.
Rattler 9-inch.
19 mil.
19 mil, not inch. Mil. Wiggle wheel.
Okay.
And then pull it.
Yeah, I think I have got that one spline out there. That's why that was it. Anyway, all right. Letting this one go down through there.
And then get your another screw. It's like a star screw. You're gonna release that. The replacement.
Okay.
There's a tongue there, you can pull it out and back. That one. Remove the both sides. Remove the what's that?
The stalk for the wiper and the indicators.
Stalk for the wiper indicators. There.
Right now.
Then another screw. Just loosen it. You don't need to take it out.
No, they don't come right out. They're captive screws. They just go to the end of the thread, and the new clock spring has its own screws contained therein. Okay, so get that set up there. Just a tank, I think. And there she goes.
Then you need to remove the 3 plugs there.
Yep. Right. There they all are.
This is the new one.
Okay, now we've already tried to fit this once, but it didn't have enough plugs on it. But we've been told, and I've done some more research on the internet, you can see this one's got this cover, which I just thought was a cover from the original. All the other ones we've had supplied are just like that. But it turns out this here, with this extra socket for the extra plug that we've got,
The white one, yep.
that isn't provided for here, this is actually the steering wheel angle sensor, and that's sold separately, and I see they're about $950. So we've got to take these 3 screws out
And put it here.
Transfer that across there and hope that it's a working one.
That. Hopefully.
Okay.
So it spring a little bit.
Careful.
Yeah. I just move
All
it.
right. Yeah.
Now.
What I want to do is make sure that
Careful.
is centered there, and that one's
It's still locked because
it's got that locking die, so it's centered. This one here, because it's taken it out,
yeah.
it's can turn. So I just want to make sure that's in its right position, so we can take this straight off. And these two tangs here are driven. See those slots there?
Yep.
That they go to there. There we are. They've engaged. Almost. Yep, that's seated all around. So those tangs have engaged in that slot there. Okay. So now, all right, it's seated all around now.
Okay, now you have a complete set of clock spring Navara D40. Nissan Navara D40. So now let's install it properly and let's see if the horn will work and the flashing airbag will vanish. Okay.
All right. Okay.
So now
let's look how this goes that way. There's our bloody cable. So let's plug in our steering angle sensor.
okay, steering angle sensor.
Okay, that's plugged in. Now, we know the yellow one goes in first.
The yellow one goes in first. Click. And the gray
one goes in second.
Click. Okay. So now flip it over.
Alright, that's all for the back. Now, this goes over the steering column. And it just clicks in there.
Yep. See, there's a tongue in there. It clicks
Okay.
there. Okay.
So that's okay. So now
With all the
we put our
indicators.
oh, that's right, guys. I'll just put this one in first to make sure that
Okay, click it
I
in. The other one. Just
okay.
okay.
Alright. That's all good.
Yeah,
Oh,
oops.
sorry. So now
Now you need to put the plastic covering.
I'm still all thumbs and fingers at the other side. Okay.
Yeah.
Get the bottom one.
Now the bottom one.
Just
You can just clip it together and
wait a
screw.
minute. I just want to bring it down a bit. Give it a bit more. Okay, so get into position, line it up.
It clicks.
That's all in position. Now,
Yeah.
need our T20 torque screw.
T20 torque screw. Screw it there. Wait there. Did you tighten up something there?
What?
Forgot, we need to tighten the, what you call it? Let's remove it again. We forgot the thing there, like sitting here. What you call that?
Yeah, the cross spring. We forgot to, in our haste, getting so excited, we're getting near the finish.
So yeah, you
After
need.
the third attempt, we're starting to forget things.
So yeah, it's what you call this, required, so it won't move.
Right.
Yeah. So,
More haste, the less speed. What did the Germans say? I'll admit, Weiler. Why doesn't this... There's something not... Even when I took this screw out, it was weird.
yeah.
That's how it feels better.
Yeah. So this one will be in place all the time, because this line here, you need to line up there.
Yeah.
So your steering
Okay,
is perfectly
let's go
straight.
back to it. Oh, go away.
Clip it there. Okay.
Okay, now gonna do my T20. Where to put the screw? Gotta make sure I get this lined up again. Oh no, you gotta take off
The plastic
this
cover.
plastic. Well, it's not so much a cover as it's a, oh,
It's a
there it is.
lock. Yeah.
It's a lock to keep it,
Straight and aligned.
well, because the clock spring goes one way and the other. If you go one way too tight, when you turn, it'll break the cable.
Okay.
you know?
So put the yellow tag in.
Yeah, I'll just, okay.
There. And align it. Center it. See
Oh, I
the,
can't see that. See at the back. Oh, there it is.
so you can see that line there. Line it with the wheel.
All right.
So you have a perfect
Well, there
straight
she be.
maneuver. Okay.
I put it a little. Yeah, I'm going to put it back one spline because it was just a bit out before.
Okay. So hook up those
Okay.
thing there. Click it there.
All right.
And
And this one, which
the other one.
I have no idea what it's for. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, did that come through far enough? Okay. Righto. Yeah.
Now put back the nut. There. And get your rattler or Spaniard or anything to tighten the thing. Okay. Now let's get the airbag. Let's hook.
This was the bloody thing that we had
That's the
difficult.
horn.
We always have trouble putting this thing back in.
Yeah, that's the horn.
The horn.
Hopefully it will work now.
I haven't got earth yet. It's only the earth.
And
And
that's the airbag.
yeah.
Okay.
Let's make sure it looks like a different. Oh, I see how it works.
Okay, just clip it there. Push it right through like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Now this is the one we always have trouble reinstalling it.
Yeah. But once it's aligned, it's easy to push down. And,
No, the trouble is it isn't.
yeah. But if you get it right for how's this? For people who's trying to attempt it too, so you'll be right. Just be careful not to how's this, force it too much, because you'll break
Something.
something. Yeah. Not. Oh, there. We got the poop poop.
We've got a horn first time in a year.
So it works.
Righto.
Subscribe for more videos like this because we still have another thing to do on the bonnet, under the bonnet. So make sure you hit the bell so you will be updated of what is broken in this thing that you're gonna fix it.
Everything
Everything's
is broken in this car. All right.
including the driver.
Especially the driver. Yeah, well, I'm just checking the function of the buttons, or the not the function, but the serviceability. And I notice now I can page through all the things on the old computer, like your liters per 100 kilometers and your kilometers per hour, kilometers till need to fuel up the tank.
Yep.
All those sort of
How
things.
about your clock? Can you reset it there?
Well,
or
no, well that's
you
done there.
manually? Ah, okay.
And now the other thing is,
How about the radio? Is it the volume?
well,
Will work there? You need to switch the
volume.
radio. Yep, it's working.
yeah, come the channels changed. Ah, because
Mhm.
we've had the battery off and the channel change. Okay. Oh yeah, look.
So you can page out your FM and yeah, you
Yeah.
can search.
Yeah,
So the switch is pretty well working.
redial.
Redial.
Cancel.
Calling,
Oops,
cancel.
oh bugger. Oh, no,
Front
stop,
mic.
stop, stop, stop. Stop, that's freak.
Okay, it's gone.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Source. CD. Auxiliary.
Source.
FM. Okay, that'll work.
The beep beep, the important thing.
The VDC light is on, but it's been doing that lately. It usually goes off after a couple of minutes, but I think it's totally unrelated to the clock spring and all that, you know.
Yeah. So the only issue now left there is the airbag. So you need to reset it manually.
Well,
It's easy to do it. We'll teach you how when we get the time. We'll go for a test
Yeah.
ride for now. Okay? What you can say? Ding ding?
yeah, ding ding, that's enough. Let's go for the drive.
Okay.